In this LashJoy Academy video, I'll be showing you how to use the pre-made fans from the LashJoy silk range. So here I've got some handmade fans that I made earlier. This here is a pre-made fan. Here is a 6D fan. I think another 6 or 7D fan in there. So these are 0.05 diameter, 007, 007, and these are also 007. So these first 4 fans here are all 4D fans, and these are the LashJoy 4D 10mm C curls. I do find that if you hand make them on the spot and you're good at sealing the base and bringing it to a nice point, that the handmade ones that you'll make yourself, the bases could be a little bit finer. However, if you're not so good at sealing the base, there really isn't too much difference between the both of them. So the main benefits of using pre-made fans is time saving. So that's if you haven't taken your volume training yet, but you still want to offer your clients a fuller lush look that will really darken their lash line. You can use the LashJoy premium fans because they have nice thin bases, and they are also heat sealed instead of being dipped in PVA adhesive, which a lot of the cheaper brands use. So these will last on the natural lash really well. They do last about the same amount if you use the right amount of adhesive with the Aquila Low or the Aquila Medium or High. So I'll be showing you how to use these today. So I'll just show you how to apply these pre-made volume fans. I find the best way to pick them up is to peel from the very base and lift up, place them on your tile, pick them up again, and then go and isolate. So I'll push these lashes to the side. So see where that little darkness starts to end there, about 2.5mm up. I only want you to dip 2 mils up. If you dip past that line there, you'll have really chunky bases. So just dipping 2 mils deep into the adhesive. And I prefer to apply the pre-made fans underneath or directly on top of the natural lashes. So hold 1, 2, 3, release. So we're going to pick up your next fan, peel from the base, up towards the ceiling, place it down, pick it up. Once you've picked up your fan, we're going to go in and isolate, dip 1.5 to 2 mils deep. This time I'll apply underneath, so hold 1, 2, 3, release. So just remember, if you're putting a 10mm 4D 007 fan on, that will weigh the same as a 0.15 classic lash. So just picking up the fan from the very base, lifting up, placing it down and picking it up, dip about 2 mils deep. This time I'm going to attach to the top of the natural lash, hold 1, 2, 3, release. So I'll just grab this last one here, placing that down, hold. I'll look for an appropriate natural lash to attach this to. So just this one right here will be good. So I'll actually tape that to the side so it's easier for you to see. So I'll pick that fan up again, dip, and I'll apply directly on top, hold 1, 2, 3, release. So I know there is a bit of a stigma against pre-made volume fans, however, I will tell you how to use them properly. So you need to make sure that if you're using 0.07 4D fans, make sure those fans only go on lashes that can safely hold a 0.15 extension. Dip 2mm deep into the adhesive. Apply only ever directly on top or directly underneath the natural lash, and always make sure you go and do a good sticky check. That way we won't have to worry about any damage. So I think there's no problem with using pre-made fans as long as you're not putting 4Ds on tiny little baby hairs like that one there. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@lashjoy.com.
The winner of Best Business Performance, LashJoy.